morning children and hello parents. Welcome to Standard 2 English Literature class. Children, look at this picture. What you can see over here? Yes, you can see a child in this picture. What is the child wearing? Yes, he's wearing a suit. Is this suit the perfect size for this child? No, it's too big for him. Now, look at the next picture. What can you all see over here? Yes, you can see a girl riding a bicycle. Is this bicycle the perfect size for the girl? No, it's too small for the girl. So, our first chapter is Too Big, Too Small. Now children, let us read the chapter. Take out your English literature book. Chapter 1, page number 1. Now, please repeat the lines after me. I can't lift you up, Shanu, says Ami. You are too big. You can't walk to school alone, Shanu, says Abbu. You are too small. You can't sleep in the baby's cot, Shanu, says Dadu. You are too big. You can't carry the baby to the park, Shanu, says Dadi. You are too small. Shanu is puzzled. Too big, too small. How can she be both? Too big to wear her old pink frock, but too small to make dosas on the stove. Too big to climb up on Dadu's back, but too small to carry the baby on hers. What am I the right size for? Shanu wonders. Ami smiles and says, you're just big enough to go to school, and you're just small enough for me to carry you on my shoulders, says Abbu. You're just big enough to take me for my morning walks, says Dadi. And you will always be the perfect size for this, they all say, and give her a warm and wonderful hug. This story is about a little girl named Shanu. She is very confused that whether she is too big or too small, because her mother tells her that she can't lift her up because she is too big for that. Her father tells her that she is too small to go to school alone. Her Dadu tells her that she is too big to sleep in the baby's cot. And her Dadi tells her that she is too small to carry the baby to the park. Shanu gets all puzzled up and wonders that what is she the right size for? Because she can't be both at the same time, too big and too small. She is too big to wear her old pink frock, too small to make dosas on the stove. Shanu starts wondering that what is she the perfect size for? Then her mother looks at her and smiles, and she says that she is just big enough to go to school. Her father says that she is just small enough to carry her on his shoulders. Her Dadu says that she is big enough to take him for his morning walk. Her Dadi says that she is small enough to listen to her stories. And at last, they all tell her that she is the perfect size for warm and wonderful hugs. Children, now take out page number 3 and we will start doing the exercises in the book. Complete these sentences with too big or too small. Number 1, Shanu is too big. She is too big to sleep in the baby's cot. Number 2, Shanu is too small. She is too small to walk to school alone. Number 3, Shanu is too small to carry the baby. Number 4, Shanu is too small to make dosas on the stove. Number 5, Shanu is too big. She is too big to wear her old pink frock. Number 6, Shanu is too big. She is too big to climb on Dadu's back. Now we will do exercise B of page number 3. Answer these questions. Children, we are going to do this exercise in your English literature copy. So we are going to do the next exercise in the book. Children, turn your page to page number 4 and we will do exercise A. Write the missing nouns. Nouns are words used to give the name of a person, place or thing, and the name given in common to a person, place or thing of the same class or kind is known as what? Common noun. So here in this page, you can see the pictures given. These are all what? Common nouns. And you have to look at the picture and write down the singular as well as the plural form. Number 1. What can you see over here, children? Yes, it's a bin. So you will write down here a bin. And the plural form, 3 bins are given. So 3 bins. What will you write down here, children? 3 bins. Now number 2. What can you see over here? A house. So what will you write down in the singular form? House. Now come to this plural form. How many houses are here? 2 houses. So what will you write down here? 2 houses. The plural of house is houses. Now we will go to page number 5, exercise B. Can we count these? Write Y for yes and N for no in the box. What are countable nouns? The nouns which we can count are known as what? Countable nouns. And the nouns which we cannot count are known as uncountable nouns. So, number 1, monkey. Can we count monkey? Yes, it can be counted. So, what will you write down in the box? Yes, we will write down Y. Y for yes. Number 2, bottle. Can bottle be counted? Yes, it can be counted. So we will write down Y in the box. Number 3, salt. Can salt be counted, children? No, we cannot count salt. So we are going to write down N in the box. N for no. Number 4, train. Can we count the train? Yes, we can count it. So we will write down Y in the box. In the same way, you are going to do the remaining questions in the book. Now turn your page to page number 6 and we will do this exercise in the book. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Number 1. Mehul is tall enough to ride the roller coaster. Number 2, Swati is old enough to ride the bus alone. In the same way, you are going to do the other questions in the book. Now, we'll go to the last exercise of this chapter. Imagine you are Shanu. Complete these sentences with words from the box. Number 1, I am Shanu. So you will write down over here, am Shanu. Number 2, I go to school every day. So you will write down here, school every day. Number 3, Abu carries me on his shoulders. So you will write down here, on his shoulders. Now you will go to number 4. Dadi tells me stories. So you will write down here, tells me stories. Now, number 5. I love my family. Children, today we read the story Too Big, Too Small, and we did the exercises in the book. So, you all have to do the exercises of chapter 1 in the book. That is from page number 3 to page number 6.